Hello, grade 10s. Welcome back to algebraic expressions where we continue to dealing with activities under products. So now we're going to be exploring binomials and trinomials whereby it will lead into a polynomial. We're going back to using the distribution property or rather the distributing rule. Remember FOIL method here? Not really, but it's still the same distribution process, just that here there's an additional term. So the four stages of FOIL method do not fit here, or rather they are insufficient. So in this case, x multiply that, x multiply that, x multiply that, then 2 multiply that, 2 multiply that, and then 2 multiply that. So we're going back to the distribution property. So in this case, what's going to be happening? X multiply x squared, you're going to have to get x cubed. Then the following, you take the sign, which is going to be minus x multiply that x, which is going to be minus x squared. X multiply 3, it's going to be 3x. Then you move on to 2. 2 multiply x squared, it's going to be 2x squared. Then you have 2 multiply negative x, which is going to give you negative 2x, then 2 multiply positive 3, which is just going to give you 6. So in this case, you're just hunting for like terms. Check here. I'll circle them using this color. This one is a like term with this one. We just included sign with this one here. Then this one here is the like term of this one. So we're going to be dealing with that now. So this one, it does not have a like term, so it remains like that. So here we have 2x squared minus x squared. So it's going to be 2 minus 1, which is just going to give you positive x squared. So you're going to have positive x what? X squared. Then 3x minus 2x, which is going to be 3x minus 2x. In this case, 3 minus 1, you're just going to get x there, which is going to be x, and plus the value, which is what? Which is 6. So this will be our answer, which is a polynomial. If you can check here, this polynomial is not a trinomial. It is my play around word quadrinomial. So that is the idea of it all. Then in this case, again, we do the same thing with the brackets. Let me just use a different color now, just to program you with it so that you don't forget. This, multiply that, this, multiply that. After we have done this, we just go back to the question to say 2 multiply x squared, which is going to be 2x multiplying x squared. We know that the coefficient here is 1, so 2 multiply 1, you're going to get 2, then x multiply x squared, you're going to get x cubed. Then 2 multiply 4, 2x multiply 4x, you're going to get positive 8x squared. Then 2x multiply negative 5, you get negative 5, negative 10, I mean, x. Just there because the 5 doesn't carry an x. Then we go to the negative. Negative 1 multiply the x squared, negative x squared. Negative 1 multiply the positive 4, negative 4x. Negative 1 multiply negative 5. Negative multiply negative positive. So it's going to be positive what? Positive 5. So in this case, focus on the like term. This is a like term with this one. So if I tackle it, it's ax squared minus x squared, which gives me what? 7x squared, I mean. So in this case, what I'll have, this one doesn't have a like term, which is going to be plus 7x what? 7x squared. Check another one, this one here, and this one here. So minus 10x minus 4x. Thus, they will add up because negative plus a negative, you still get a negative, but the number increases with the values. So it's going to be minus 14x. So in this case, I'll have negative 14x. Then I move forward with the last one, which is just going to be my coefficient there of what? Of 5, or rather my constant. So if you can check, apologies about that. If you can check here, we have a what? A polynomial. So That is a polynomial. Then this one here, you can take it as an activity. Try yourself so that you can see how far you are in terms of the distribution property understanding. Let me see you on the next topic, which is going to be factorization. So pause the video, write this down and try. Remember, you can never fail if you try.